children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see subject mathematics, topic chapter 9 measurement, exercise 9.2 and session 26. Okay children, see why I didn't teach 9.1 means it's nothing. There is nothing in that one. So I left it. Okay children, see here exercise 9.1 only we have to measure this crayons like that, it is there. If you want you can do it on your own. Okay children, and then in the next page they have given only the measurement. See the line segment you have to draw. So we have taught, we have learned in the last class itself. So I didn't give, I have skipped the exercise 9.1. Children, from 9.2 I am going to teach you. Okay children. Okay children, we'll see chapter 9 measurement. Before going into the exercise, we'll see what are the measurements are there. Okay children, first there are units of length. Units of length. Units of length. So what is there children? Units of length means what? There is millimeter. Millimeter. M-M-L-L-I, millimeter. See millimeter, RE will come. Millimeter, short form is MM. Understood children? Millimeter short form MM, and then centimeter. Centimeter. Centimeter, we write it as CM. Okay children, we write it as CM, and then meter. Meter we write it as M. Small letter, not capital letter. Okay children. Okay, and then kilometer and kilometer. Okay, kilometer we write it as small k and small m. Km. Okay children, this is the first smallest unit. This is the smallest unit, and then centimeter, and then meter, and then kilometer. Okay children, this is the short form of millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay children, now relationship between units, what we can see. 1 kilometer, what we write is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and then 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter. Listen carefully, then only you can do the sums. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Kilometer means you have to meter will come. Okay children, and then 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and then 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Sorry children, I wrote centimeter. It's 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter. Okay children, and then what will come? 1 meter again. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. See here 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Don't forget children, while doing the sum, this is very important. Then only you can do the sums. And then 1 centimeter is equal to, what will come? 10 millimeter. See here 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Understood children? Well, like this also you can write 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. Like that also you can. You have to. This is very important. This is very important. If you learn this, only you can do the sums. Exercise 9.2. You have to convert kilometer into meter, like that, and all it will come. That time, if you are thorough in this one only, you can do the sums. Okay, children. What you have to do? You have to write this one. Practice. 5 times you practice at home, children. In rough note, you practice this one so that it will be very easy. Okay, children. Okay, children. First we learned the units of length, and now second we are learning units of measuring. units of measuring. Sure, okay. See, we have divided into 3 columns: distance, height, and length. In this 3, what are the units we are going to use? We are going to write. For distance, we can't write millimeter, centimeter, and all. For distance, we can't write. It's like kilometer only it will come. So first we can, distance means meter we can measure. In meter it will come, or it will come in kilometer. Distance is always measured in meter or kilometer. Understood, children? Distance is always measured in meter or kilometer. It cannot be measured in centimeter or millimeter. Okay, children? And the height is always measured in centimeter. Height is always measured in centimeter or meter. Here meter also it can be used in both distance and height. Okay, children? Understood? Meter can be measured in distance, height and length. For the 3 is common meter is there. Okay, children? So height is measured in centimeter and meter, and the length is measured in millimeter. Millimeter, centimeter and meter. See, length can be measured in 3 units: millimeter, centimeter and meter. Understood, children? Distance is always measured in meter and kilometer. Height is measured in centimeter and meter. And length is measured in millimeter, centimeter and meter. The 3 units can be measured in that. Don't forget. Okay, children? Are you thorough in that one? Okay, now we'll see the exercise 9.2. Okay, children? Here some of the sums there. First you have to change to centimeters. Change to centimeters. Okay. First we are going to see change to centimeters. What are the sum they have given means, here they have given meter. See, 3 meter means this meter you have to change into centimeter. So what formula we learned there? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You have to do, you should not forget. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Isn't it, children? We learned there. We learned first. So 1 meter is equal to 300 centimeter means what will come? Here 3 meter is there. So what will come? 3 meter means what will come? 3 into 100 centimeters. So what's the answer? 300 centimeter. Understood, children? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter means, so 3 meter means 3 into 100 centimeter. So what is the answer? 300 centimeter. Understood, children? Are you thorough? Yes. I think it's very easy for you, the sum. But the second sum is little hard. Wait, you listen. 9 meter, 16 centimeter. 9 meter, 16 centimeter. See, here only 3 meter is given, but here they have given meter and also centimeter they have given, but you have to convert into centimeter only. So 9 meter means what will come, children? 9 into 100. Understood, children? Don't forget 9 into 100. So what will come? Here 3 into 100, 300 centimeters. So here 9 into 100, what will come? 900 centimeter. The meter has been converted into centimeter. The meter has been converted into centimeter. And then this one, what you have to write as it is like this, because it's already in centimeter only. It's already in centimeter only. So you have to add this one. So 900 plus 16, what will come? 900 plus 16. Don't write 16 here, then it will be wrong. Okay, children. So what's the answer will come? 916 centimeter. Understood, children? 3 meter means 3 into 100. So 9 meter means what will come? 9 into 100. 9 into 100. 9 into 100 means what will come? 900. Don't write meter. You have to write centimeter. When you convert means what will come? Automatically come to centimeter. So 900 centimeter plus 16 centimeter is equal to 916 centimeter. Okay, children. So still some more sums we will see. Okay, children. We'll see the third sum. This also like the second sum. 5 meter 50 centimeter. 5 meter 50 centimeter. Children, if you are getting confused, what you can write automatically, you should not multiply this one into 100. Okay, children, you have to be careful. This one you should not multiply into 100. So this one only you have to multiply. So you can write in the side in a pencil also. 5 into 100. What? 500. You can write like, you can keep it in mind. 5 into 100, 500. So what will come? 5 meter means 500 meter plus 50 centimeter as it is you can write. So 500 plus 50, how much will come? 500 centimeter plus 50, 550. 550. So what's the answer? 550 centimeter. Okay, children, are you thorough? Yes. Okay, we'll see the fourth sum. 3 meter 3 centimeter. 3 meter 3 centimeter. So 3 meter means what you have to write, children? 3 into 100. So what's the answer? 300. So you automatically what you have to write? 300 centimeter. See here, sorry, I have written here meter. Like this only a careless mistake we make. Here we have to write centimeter. Don't write meter, children. Okay, mistakenly I have written. So 300 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So when you add 300 plus 3, how much, children? 300 plus 3. 300 plus 3, how much? 303. 303. So what's the answer? 303 centimeter. Easy only, no, children? Yes, one more sum I will write and then I will give homework for you. Okay, children? Okay, children. The fifth sum, 19 meter 1 centimeter. Okay. Here 19. See here 2 digit is there. Isn't it, children? All will be getting in the, we learned only 1 digit. But here 2 digit is there. 19 meter is there. So 19 meter means what you can do, children? 19 into 100. 19 into 100 you can put. 19 into 100. 19 into 100 means what will come, children? 1900. The 19 you have to write as it is and this 200 you have to add here. Okay, children, very easy. So 1900. So what will come? Answer 19 meter means 1900 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So 1900 plus 1 means what? Easy, no, children? When you multiply only that this is the correct, you have to multiply, otherwise it will come wrong. Okay, children? 2 digit means you have to do like this only. 19 into 100. 3 means 3 into 100. And if there is 50 means 50 into 100 means what will come, children? You have to write 50 as it is and this 200 like this you have to write. Okay, children? Don't forget. Okay. Then I will give some homework sums. You have to, children, do. Otherwise, when I correct your notebook, I will find out. Okay, children? See, homework I have given 3 sums I have given. Homework in the A1. This one I have given. See, from 6 you write. 17 meter. 17 meter. And then 7th sum. 5 meter. 50 centimeter. And then 8th sum. 6 meter. 25 centimeter. Okay, children, these 3 sums homework. These 3 sums homework, and now we'll see the B1. Okay. Okay, children. First we learned change to centimeters, but here express in meters and centimeters. The both you have to express. So what will come, children? First sum I will do 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter means what will come, children? The formula what we learned? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So here centimeter only is there. So you have to convert only to meter. So what will come, children? 500 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Is equal to 5 meter. Understood, children? Very easy. Okay, how will come? Can I say? I'll explain and then only you will get see. 500 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Is equal to 5 meter. Right, children? Okay, children. 500 centimeter means what will come? 5 meter. See, listen here. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. See here 100. So here 1 came. See here 500. Here 5. Understood, children? Now, for example, 600 centimeter means what will come? What will come, children? 6 meter. Answer is 6 meter. Likewise, it's very easy. Understood, children? So this is the first sum, and the second sum. This is 3 digit they have given. 925 centimeter. See, 925 centimeter. Here how we have to find out, children? See here 925 is there. So what will come? 900. 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meter will come. Understood, children? See, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and then here 900 is there. 25 you can add afterward. You can do afterwards. So 900 is, so 900 centimeter is equal to what? 9 meter. So what's the answer will come, children? 925 centimeter is equal to 9 meter. 9 meter, and this remaining you have to write as it is, because here what they have given, express in meters and centimeters. So 900 means 9 meter, and then rest 25 you have to write as it is and write 25 centimeter. Understood, children? 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meter. So we wrote 9 meter here, and the remaining 25 we have written here. So 9 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, children? And we'll see the third sum. Third sum also, see here 4 digit is given. 1638 centimeter. 1638 centimeter. Listen carefully, children. In the formula we learned, here 1000 is coming. Here 100 is coming. Here 1000 is coming. 1000 is coming means what you have to write? 1000 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. Isn't it, children? We learnt or not? 1000 centimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. So here 1000 is coming. So what will come, children? 1000 is coming. So what you have to write? What's the answer? 1680 is equal to, so 1000 is equal to 10 is coming. So 1638 means what will come? See, 1638 centimeter means what will come? You have to write this first one here like 16 meter. Okay, children? 16 meter. So what will come? 16 meter, and the rest you have to write 38 centimeter. Understood, children? 16 meter, 38 centimeter. Okay, now we'll see the fourth sum. Okay, children, the fourth sum, 901 centimeter. Okay, children, here again what? 900, 100 is there, isn't it, children? Always the last two will come for centimeter only. Okay, so 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So here 900 centimeter means what will come? Is equal to 9 meter. Okay, children. So what's the answer? 901 centimeter is equal to 9 meter, and then remaining the last will come for centimeter. So instead of writing 01 you can write 1 centimeter. Okay, children. because 0 has no value, so I have written 1 centimeter. And then one more sum, fifth one, 4005. 4005 centimeter. See here 1000 is coming. 1000 means what, children? 1000 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. So 4000 what will come? 4000 centimeter is equal to 40 meter. 4000 centimeter is equal to 40 meter. So what is the answer, children? 4005 centimeter is equal to 40 meter. And what's the remaining, children? 05. But 0 has no value. So what you can write? 5 centimeter. 40 meter, 5 centimeter. Understood, children? Are you thorough? Okay, now I'll give 3 sum for homework. Okay, children, I have given 3 sum for homework. 375 centimeter, 310 centimeter and 705 centimeter. Children, you write neatly, children. For chapter 8 I have sent for you. Only the notes I have sent for chapter 8. That's enough. Other things you can learn in the book itself. Chapter 8 fully you can learn in the book itself. What I have given for a reference only. What is symmetry? What is line of symmetry? What are patterns? Okay, children, that one only you can write in the chapter 8 in notebook. And you write the index column also, children. You write the index column and then you have to write chapter 9. Till chapter 9 I am writing. All should be thorough. You have to complete till chapter 9. Okay, children. Will you do this homework and send it to me? Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.